Alright, so in this video right here, we're gonna be trying to max out all the sound banks. You feel me? It's 8 banks. So that's 120 something sounds, right? So that's maxing out. Let's try it. Alright, we got that one. Oh, I thought it automatically go to the next one. I had to set y'all back up there because trying to hold that camera is hectic. All right, first one loaded. All right, y'all, so we got her done. All right, every single one of them full. All right. So we got, let's see how, let's do a memory check. 6%? What? I did not think that was gonna be that low, bruh. That's crazy. Bruh, when I used to be on the MPC 2500 back in the early 2000s, 6% of the memory, bruh, I only get fit, back in the day, you barely could even fit 16 pads worth of sounds. You feel me? Like if you made a snare, you had to, soon as that mug stopped making a sound, you had to cut that off. You had to cut all the extra air off. It wasn't no extra air in the old school sounds back in the MPC days. You feel me? And that tail and all that, talking about some leave a 1 second tail, no. Ain't no tail. It gets cut off. As soon as the sound cut off, some sounds couldn't even get the whole sound in there. You only can get part of it in there. You feel me? But as long as you got that juicy part, the part that you needed, and you might be able to hide it with the other instruments. But that is crazy, bruh. 6%. I just loaded 100, and I got way more sounds on there than that. Like I maybe for real, to be honest, I was overloading. Like I was missing buttons, and kept on hitting the load. You know what I'm saying? Like that's mind blowing. Dang, so VSTs really do take a lot out of the memory, I guess. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. That's beyond crazy. Wow. Yep, so there you go, man. Only 6%.